Well, poor Nugget, rest in peace. The neighbor's dog got him. She, however, did promise to pay for Nugget. So, this is Nugget's replacement. We have, from left to right, we have Hedwig, Honor, and Helga. These are Easter eggers who will hopefully lay nice, pretty colored eggs. There's a 90% guarantee that these are girls, so we'll see how things go. Say hello to Hedwig, Honor, and Helga. Thought I would give an introduction to each of them a little more individually. This is Honor. This is Helga. And this is Hedwig. Hedwig has some interesting little white bits on her face.